Okay, so this is like my challenge. I mean, I'm really happy with my $5 challenge. I got both of my subs for $1. And then I got my box of Playtex for $1. I got these for just a penny. Don't forget, check your store. If you see the One A Day Man 60 tablets, is ringing. Mine was ringing up a penny. All the ones that said 40 were like still full price, like $5. I ended up getting my Centrum for $1. I got my Mucinex for, I believe, 50 cents. And then I got my Nivea lotion for like $1.74. This was just a really, really good savings. I got $15 in savings. So $15 off, and I ended up paying just $5.16. I feel like that's great for a $5 challenge. And then I went ahead and did one more transaction that I do want to share. Okay, and then another really good deal that I was able to do, to me, it was a really good deal. I got $15 off this transaction as well. This one wasn't as low. It wasn't a part of the $5 challenge. It was really based on my needs, and diapers right now I really need. And I wanted to hold myself over until Saturday when I do my diaper haul. So I got the Loves because I had that $1.50 off one of my other digital accounts. And then I had the Gentle Steps, which I actually like their off-brand diapers. And I had $1 off digital for that, making them like, I think $3.95. And then I had my $5 off Mucinex, making it just 50 cents. And then I had my $2 off Ivory or Old Spice digital coupon, making them just $1 for both. I used my Nivea coupon, making them just like $1.74, or was it $1? Yeah, the Nivea was like $1.64, $1.67, so it was a good deal. And then I had my Arm & Hammer, and it was ended up being, I believe, $2.95. So it wasn't a bad deal. I ended up at the register, my bill was about $28 and some change. When I typed in my digitals, like all my digitals came off, my 3L15 came off, and it took me to $14.05, which to me is not a bad deal. I saved about $14. I saved about $14.50, and I still feel like that's a good deal to get 15 off. You know, for both purchases, basically, was still a great savings, and this was stuff that I needed. So let me know if you guys are doing any $5 challenges, or if you guys were able to get that 3L15, and if you're getting any good deals. Love you guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe.